Thank you very much, everyone. It's okay, sit down. Before I go on, I'd just like to say, बहुत दिनों बाद मिले हो, आप लोग बातचीत खत्म कर लो इसके बाद। सुनीता और राधा बात करना चाहते हैं, रात से बात कर लो, सब बात कर लो, उसके बाद बात करो। Yeah, I'd like to, please, quiet guys, come on. I'd just like to say that, you know, in life, the work that we do, especially the work in films or any artistic endeavor that we do, like in everything in life, there are always going to be two sides to it. There are ups and downs, there are goods and bads. What I call in the film industry, the beauty and the beastly. So the beauty of the job that I've done for years, which is 20 years, has been the fact that I get to share love with people, people touch me. I'm able to touch lives of people without even knowing it at times. The beastly part of it is the high expectation anxiety, the creative loneliness, and sometimes unwarranted scrutiny of your life. Titles, really guys, I mean, मतलब मैं तो बोल ही रहा हूँ ना यार, कहाँ से नहीं? So, as I was saying, when I was interrupted by audio नहीं आ रहा, you know what, a life which is, you know, having titles from the fantastic to the absurd, from Badshah to Batamiz. All these things, then you're compensated materially for what I do. You have, you get to stay in big hotels, you fly private charter planes, you wear designer clothes, you get Filmfare awards, which make you feel very happy momentarily, temporarily, but happy nevertheless. And then, finally, the biggest of them all, which I call the compensation for the soul in this profession. Things that happen to you that will be beyond all that I've mentioned. All the beauty and the wisdom. Things that you will cherish at the end of it all. Happened to me one night on a terrace. Retro music, remix, as it always is nowadays, playing. Lights, very windy. And I was in a moment in life where I know that when everything gets to its end, these are the few thoughts I'll take of. It happens perhaps once or twice to every star who's been working for years. It could be a movie, it could be having a conversation with a man or a woman that will touch your life. I was touched that night. I had Jatin, the photographer, and an old friend who had set up his lights. My two best friends, beyond the fact that they work in media or film journalism or whatever their profession is, Jitesh and Anuradha, they were standing there. And I got to meet face to face with two people who have perhaps shaped my life without me knowing it, wanting to be someone beyond who I was. And both of them walked in. You know, I've always said it's very special to breathe the air, the same air as some people. But two great people, great actors, great stars, fantastic human beings, like I said, must have shaped many of our lives and our parents' lives. Both of them walk in. And just the fact that they could acknowledge you and say, "Hi, Shahrukh." Dilip Saab didn't say that. Amitji said, "Hi, Shahrukh." And Dilip Saab just patted me on the shoulder. Just to meet those two people who perhaps have, without ever realizing, touched my life and chartered, you know, what I have become. I want to thank Filmfare, I want to thank Jatin, I want to thank Jitesh, I want to thank everybody at Filmfare for giving me that opportunity, all the boys and girls who we sat and chatted afterwards with, for giving me this moment in life. I will cherish it always. It's not just a photograph for me for the Filmfare cover. It's a moment in time that I will keep as the most prized possession of my life, material and otherwise. So thank you very much for being here tonight, giving me this opportunity. Jatin just told me he's making a booklet of all the pictures for all of you to keep. I don't know it will ever matter to Dilip Saab or Amitji, but for me it will be one of the greatest mementos I have gathered in this career spanning 20 years. In the famous words of Thomas Hardy, the mayor of Casterbridge, when the wife looks at her husband in a pub giving a speech, I would say, now that I've done this, I can pass away and die. I hope you enjoy the picture, you enjoy the photograph. For me, it's a very, very personal, and I actually give Jitesh a hug for allowing me to do this. Thank you. And bow down my head and thank everyone at Filmfare for giving me this opportunity. And God bless you all. And I hope you like the photograph. I haven't seen it yet, but it's more than a photograph. So thank you everyone for being here, and thank you Filmfare. And thank you, of course, Dilip Sir and Mr. Amitabh Bachchan for allowing me in the same space as themselves. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And likewise, we are also eager to see how the picture actually looks like. So shall we unveil the special collector's edition of Filmfare magazine celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema. So ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jitesh Pillai and Mr. Shah Rukh Khan unveiling the ultimate guide to best of Bollywood. Here it is on the cover, Dilip Kumar Saab, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
यहाँ पर शाहरुख से यहाँ पर शाहरुख से दिख रहा है शाहरुख सर दिस साइड सर हियर शाहरुख सर दिस साइड मनोज मनोज खाली है ना शाहरुख सर यहाँ पर एक तो लाइफ में आया और बीच में आता
Well, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan holding these cover pictures, making for another cover picture with you holding these covers. So how do you like it?
It's fantastic. I think it's. I haven't seen it. I think it's. Like I said, I will never be able to gauge it as a picture, but because Jatin has done it, Jatin, great job here.
Give me a round of applause for Mr. Jatin Kampani. Everyone, come on!
You make me look the youngest in this picture. Thank you. But absolutely fantastic.
Thank you. And Mr. Jitesh Pillai has a lot of questions and a lot of input from the shoot. Over to you, sir.
So thanks, Jatin. Thank you for making it so special. But I have to say, this iconic cover would not have been possible without me badgering Shah Rukh and Shah Rukh very gracefully taking a chopper from Vai and coming and making it possible for us. It was like a movie star moment. Like they say, some people have Madonna moments. This was my movie star moment. Seeing three icons there, Dilip Saab patting Shah Rukh's hand, Amit ji telling Shah Rukh धूम्रपान करना सेहत के लिए हानिकारक है. These are all moments in people's lives which I seldom, Words just fail me. So I want to ask Shahrukh, you've grown up, your mother said you look like Dilip Kumar, people say you idolize Amit Ji, and then one fine day it all just comes together and there's a cover. I mean, you've done movies with Amit Ji, you idolize. How does it, I mean, can you take us back to that experience? I know you already spoke about it, but what is the core of, and because it's 100 years of cinema issue?
मैं जब पहली बार आया था मुंबई तो फिल्म फेयर ने मुझे मौका दिया था कि मैं जाके मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन के साथ एक कवर का फोटोशूट कर सकूँ। मुझे उसके बाद याद नहीं है मैंने उनके साथ कोई मैगजीन के लिए शूट किया है या नहीं। कभी खुशी कभी गम, बट दैट वाज मोर लाइक एनीवे लाइक अ पिक्चर। हमारा जो पोस्टर था वो वैसे ही लगता है, बट एक इंडिविजुअल फोटो थी और मुझे याद है अमित जी जो हैं एक सोफे पे बैठे थे और मुझे उनके पीछे खड़ा होना था और मुझे अपना हाथ उनके शोल्डर पे रखना था। तो मुझे हम दिल्ली में उनकी फिल्में देखकर बड़े हुए, उनको मैं एक दो बार मिला भी था बैंगलोर में, और मैंने अपना हाथ जो था उनके शोल्डर पे ऐसा रखा था कि उनको किसी तरह की हानि ना पहुंचे। ऐसा I don't know how one feels when you meet stars, but for me it was I hope I don't spoil him, I don't hurt him. So I was just resting my hand just about here, not even touching him. You photograph if you notice ever. And the next time it was Dilip Saab and Saira ji, and I remember she ruffled my hair and told me that if she had a son, he would look like me. And I've known Dilip Saab also from childhood because my father was from Peshawar and they knew each other. But these two moments where Dilip Saab narrated the story of, I asked Amit Ji, आप क्या करते हैं free time में? Because these are the things you want to know about people that you've grown up watching. तो he said कि सर एक घर में चूहा है, तो मैं उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ आजकल, बड़ा आवाज़ करता है रात को। And Saira ji to say that. For me, I came to Mumbai 22 years ago. I don't think if after that I hadn't made it as a star, it would have mattered. Because I got to hear How to Catch Rats from Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, and Dilip Saab and his wife tell me that I could look like their son. So my life was complete. It's been 22 years, and to call, if you had told me actually to walk down from, जैसे यात्रा पे जाते हैं, if you told me to walk down from China and come for this photo shoot, I would have. Coming in a chopper from Vai was no big deal. Just to sit with them. It's not just about the great actors they are, the great superstars they are. Just the fact that these people have seen so much in life. You can see it in their eyes. To be able to see those eyes sitting next to them, to know that you can never be what they are or what they have been, but still to feel that moment, see it in their eyes, the kind of love they have felt, the love they have given. And mainly, as you mentioned to me in an email once, I believe all big stars, all big actors, and I hope I'm not speaking out of turn, are ravaged beauties. So it's great to be in the company of two of the greatest beauties who still remain unravaged by time, by films, or by even fans. So it was beautiful to just be there, and like I said, for me it's a moment complete. And I'm extremely thankful and thrilled that I could do this.
Also, in this issue, I know you have not seen it, there's 100 iconic movies, and there's also poll, Dilwale, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and Chak De feature in the iconic films. And I mean, coincidentally, I don't know what, the Dilwale song features as the most popular song of all times, and yeah, तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, and my memory is failing, but I also think there's a scene from Dilwale which scores as the most popular. बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसे छोटी छोटी बात होती है. So it's truly, I mean, Amit Ji's movies, your movies, Dilip Saab's movies. So for us, it sort of encapsulates the 100 years of cinema. What would you have to say when you, I mean, there are iconic dialogues like, when you talk about iconic dialogue, you say, Mere paas maan hai. So that is featured. Then you talk about Bade Bade Shehron Mein. What does it feel, these kind of moments? I mean,
it's very strange for me to speak about anything that I've done. For me, the scene from, there's so many scenes, but you know, like when Dilip Saab was doing that scene in the film Mashal, I think, if I'm not mistaken, where he's running behind the car. अरे भाई कोई है, and he's running in कोई रोको. And Amit ji saying, मेरे पास, Amit ji's film, well, actually, Shashi Saab says, मेरे पास माँ है. और Amit ji's dialogues, so many of them, as a matter of fact, जो हमारी फिल्म का डायलॉग था वो हमने ऐसे ही बोल दिया था. कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं था कि वो ऐसा आइकॉनिक मोमेंट्स में या कोई मैगजीन, इतनी बड़ी मैगजीन के अंदर फीचर करेगा कि बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं सेन्योरिटा. Actually, it is a mouthful. It was very difficult to say.
I think you should say it once for the camera.
Not pertaining to this. This is a very bड़ी बात, but yeah. ऐसे बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें तो होती रहती हैं सेन्योरिटा. So I had difficulty saying it, but somehow I think the writers and directors हैं, they make it sound and look much nicer than it is. So I'm very thankful it is there. मैंने जब अपना करियर शुरू किया था ऐसा सोचा था कि ऐसी 5 फिल्में मैं बना लूँ जो मेरे को मेरे बच्चों को दिखाने के लिए यादगार हो. So I'm very scared. You've already put 3 of them there in different sections. So only 2 more to go. I wish I had 5 more to go so I can work harder and much longer than I have worked right now. But it makes you feel very, very happy that somewhere, as a matter of fact, now those films that you mentioned are figured there. I will go home and I've got like 2 evenings off before I get back to shooting. I think I will try and show one of the films to my children. Having said that, Chak De is genuinely one of their favorite films. And Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and Dilwale. So I'm very happy that those 3 are figured and yeah, it makes me feel nice. But work harder for the other 2 now.
Also, for a self-confessed non-dancer, the most popular dance sequence amongst Over Dola Re Dola and Ek Do Teen and Kajra and Choli Ke Piche is Chaiya Chaiya. Would you like to recount some instance, while doing that number?
मुझे बहुत अजीब लगता है कभी-कभी. मैं 20 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ. अभी भी मैं एक अवार्ड फंक्शन में था. तो मेरी ज़िंदगी जो है कुछ ऐसी ही है, छैया छैया से लेके छमक छल होता है. जहाँ पे भी जाओ मैं I remember मैं मणि रत्नम सर से हमारी जो फिल्म थी वो उतनी नहीं चली थी जितनी हमें लगती थी, स्पेशली इंडिया में. और बहुत दुख होता है जब फिल्म वहाँ नहीं जाती जहाँ पे हम सोचते हैं. बहुत दिल से वो फिल्म बनाई थी हमने. And I remember he was very sweet and he's a gentleman. And he came and he said, Shahrukh, I feel very bad. This film didn't do well. I feel bad for you. I feel bad. Directors feel like this. And I remember telling him 2 months after the release or 1 month, don't worry, this Chaiya Chaiya I'm going to live off for the rest of my life. So I still am actually. So I think I'll give him a call and thank him. There are some moments in life, like you said, which will define actors. Chaiya Chaiya defines me. And मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है कि तुम कह रहे हो डोला डोला से ज़्यादा अच्छा है और 1 2 3 से ज़्यादा अच्छा है. But मैंने माधुरी ऐश दोनों को कहा था कि मैं काफ़ी अच्छा डांस कर लेता हूँ. So, I mean, see, I've taught them how to dance until तो पागल है. So yeah, that kind of. I never thought it will make it beyond these songs. So it's still embarrassing. But it was a great song. I think किसी ने ट्रेन के ऊपर ऐसा गाना किया नहीं. और I still remember Malaika ने जो पहले दिन की शूटिंग की थी वो without the song की थी क्योंकि speakers नहीं आए थे. And you had to dance and Santosh Seven and Mani Ratnam sir सामने खड़े होते थे. और पीछे जब टनल्स आती थी तो एक white कपड़ा लेके फारा. So if the tunnel was behind you, all you did is you just lay down. So there are many instances where you're saying, "Paon janat chale, chale chaiya chaiya, paon janat," and everybody used to just go down on the ground because the tunnel used to pass, and then you used to just keep lying down till you heard someone scream. There were no microphones. That ud jao, second part, and everybody, most of the dancers were tied, and fortunately nobody fell down. But it was one of the most exciting shoots. I think there was a big crane called Akela which was used for the first time. It was one of the most exciting, happy shoots. As a matter of fact, I'm hoping to do that again. But now we'll change it, maybe on a metro inshallah. Faster, better, and with microphones.
By the way, you've also been voted as the global icon of the century. And what do terms like global icon and what does it, given the perspective of 100 years of cinema? I mean, are they just words which are cleverly coined on the internet and then they go viral?
I don't know. I mean, yeah, now maybe, but yeah, like I was saying, so many titles down the line: Badshah, King of Bollywood. Sometimes because of my behavior, personally, if you ask me, and I'm sure most of the actors will say this, it's nice to have good words and titles, global icon attached to your self. I have known you for 20 years. I would never tell anyone amongst our media friends कि इस वाली स्टोरी में बादशाह बुला देना मुझको या इस स्टोरी के अंदर थोड़ा ग्लोबल आइकॉन बोलोगे ना तो अच्छा लगेगा. I think what we finally do is get up in the morning, which is also very strange for a man to say sometimes, wear makeup and go to work. And that's all you keep doing. All the titles, all the names, I think is a way of people trying to tell you back, whether it's the media or whether it's the audience or whether it's the smart alliterations, coined up on the internet, that, they kind of appreciate what you do. And I think I take it like this. I can vouch for a lot of actors who would just be taking it as a peripheral part of their lives. The core is, हर एक्टर को यही लगता है कि सुबह उठकर मैं फिर से कुछ ऐसा काम करूं जिससे मेरा नाम जो है लोग भूल जाएं, उस कैरेक्टर का या उस फिल्म का या उस गाने का नाम याद रखें जिसमें मैंने भाग लिया. So I'm prouder when I'm said and remembered for Chaiya Chaiya. I'm very proud when people call me Badshah. I'm very happy when people call me Bazigar. It makes you feel very, very happy. It's a very strange thing. You want to be known by the names of the characters when you're called that. It makes you feel very happy. And still you don't take them very seriously when they're larger than life than you are, like, say, global icon. And I'm very happy that for 20 years I've worked. Somehow, I participated in films with Mr. Yash Chopra, Mr. Karan Johar, Mr. Aditya Chopra, and so many of them, Mani Ratnam sir, that came in a phase when Indian cinema is crossing borders. And I happen to be a part of it, whether it's in South America, Germany, England, Australia. I think I'm just very fortunate. I was part of that movement of cinema. And it's been a great journey for me. It feels very nice. I was in Vancouver. Before that, I had just gone down to Malaysia. And so many people say the names of your films or Indian films with so much love. It makes you feel that you have done something or been part of something which is an important movement for Indian cinema. And inshallah, as the years go by, our movies will be watched all over the world as much as Hollywood films or any other cinemas watched. Besides the fact that we are in Hindi.
Guys, I must also tell you, because I'm in the business of making magazines, and in the last 20 years that one has worked with Shah Rukh, he's never asked to see a cover picture. I think he's a bit shy when you click pictures. For him to go and check the picture on the monitor, we have to literally drag him and say, please have a look, because then if I use a bad picture, you'll sulk. But he doesn't sulk. So I have to tell you that I truly think this is the first time he's seen these pictures. And he didn't say, yaar, wo wala use karna, ya ye wala. I'm constantly being told what to do, how to do, when to do. So I think that speaks a lot for his humility and also self-confidence, dare I say it. That he's like, use whatever, just get the photo shoot over. He's most uncomfortable while doing photo shoot. But here is the result for all of you to see. So thank you, sir. Thank you. It really means a lot that you are part of this 100 years of cinema, this iconic issue, and you have other special thoughts to say.
No, I don't think I'm in the business of looking good, or I'm in the business of knowing what a photograph should be. So when 99% of the times, whether it's for work or for your magazine especially, I know they're experts, like Jatin and like yourself, like your whole team of Filmfare. I don't really need to bother. And actually forget the fact that there's an expertise involved in lighting or which one you'll choose and retouch me to look handsomer. But I think what I know is that you love me. Most of the people here also, when they do an article on me or when they're doing a photograph, अगर ये मेरी फोटो ले रहा है, मुझे मालूम है बेस्ट वाली खुद ही देगा पिंक विला, मुझे नहीं ढूंढनी पड़ेगी. But I know the fact why he would do that, why you would do that, why everyone does that, is because I think I'd like to believe, even if it's not true, so don't break it tonight. I'd like to believe that you love me, and when you love someone, then you make sure that you make them look good. So thank you, Jatin. Thank you, Jitesh. I would never question you for a photograph. I would never question you for an article or a critical review, because I know whatever you say to me or write about me or show about me is with a feeling of love. Except एक दो चार हैं, वो कभी मिल जाएंगे तो उनसे मैं बात कर लूँगा, बाथरूम का दरवाज़ा बंद, पब्लिकली नहीं करूँगा, नहीं तो फ़ोन पे फ़ोटो आ जाती, बहुत तकलीफ होती है. I'm joking. Please don't make this the headline that I'm going to beat up someone. Please. अभी बहुत दिनों बाद प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहा हूँ तो सीधा I should not put my foot in the mouth. give me another day or two of being in Mumbai and doing some more press conferences. But thank you everyone. I think thank you all of you. Thank you at Film Fair. Thank you films. Thank you 100 years of cinema for making me feel so loved. Yeah, this is beautiful. And actually, मैं बता नहीं सका. I don't know. Can we share moments? You have a video made and all. हम जब गाना वहाँ पे गाना बज रहा था जतिन के लैपटॉप में से और कुछ रेट्रो मिक्स्ड कुछ अच्छा सा था जो उसने मुझे प्रॉमिस किया है कि मुझको क्या गाना था और जो आंखों के साथ जो मैं गा नहीं सकता एंड मुझे दिलीप साहब जो है जो भी आप फोटोग्राफ देखेंगे आई हैव नॉट सीन ऑल ऑफ देम बट थ्रू आउट दैट म्यूजिक ही हैज प्लेड दैट सॉन्ग विद हिज हैंड्स तो कई जगह पे वो आपको ऐसे से उनके हाथ दिख रहे हैं तो एक्चुअली ही इज प्लेइंग द म्यूजिक एंड अमित जी और मैं फॉर अबाउट हाफ एन आवर और 40 मिनट्स दैट वी डिड दीस पिक्चर्स और मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनल और सबसे ज़्यादा क्वाइट और अपना जॉब जो हम तीनों में से किया बेहतर वो दिलीप साहब ने ही किया अपना आए अपना काम किया हमें खाना खिलाया मुझे खाना खिला के बोला खाओ मैंने खाया फिर कहा अब जाओ I was very tired. I had to fly back, and I was loving sitting with him. I didn't want to leave, but there was nothing more to do, and he said, "Go." I said, "Abhi jao." हो गया ना? इसे हो गया. इसे अभी जाओ. And he sent me away, and so the pictures that you see, which are very special, is because he was playing the music throughout, and he kept turning to Amit ji and telling me and both of us, "Ki, it's very good. It's very good," and he kept saying it. So it was a marvelous moment here. I don't know how to.
He held Shah Rukh's hand and he was constantly tapping on.
एक जगह पे उनको अकेला फोटो खिंचाना था तो मैं उनको बिठाने लगा तो उन्होंने हाथ पकड़ लिया तो अकेली फोटो में मेरा हाथ पकड़ के उस पे वो पूरा बाजा बजाते रहे काफी देर तक 5-10 मिनट till he left it and then I think we got some of his solo shots but also I don't know we shot this in his house सायरा जी and दिलीप साहब उनकी पूरी फैमिली वहाँ पर मौजूद थी और बहुत बड़े लोग हैं बहुत डीप लोग हैं बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं सारे के सारे I would just like to thank them because they're not here so I hope they see this or they hear it for the humility and the hospitality that they welcomed all of us about 50 or 60 of us into their house we barged in हम जितने भी लोग वहाँ पर थे सब fans थे और सारे के सारे जो थे अपनी एक फोटो खिंचाना चाह रहे थे अमित जी और दिलीप साहब के साथ and they were so kind they did pictures with all of us signed autographs for us it was really taught you how to be humble and sweet and I think it was time of night when they must be wanting to retire but they were very kind so thank you Saira ji and thank you Dilip sir and thank you Amit ji for making us feel like wanted fans like
Shah Rukh even made him do a yo sign.
This is my favorite picture because मैंने दिलीप साहब और अमित जी को यो का साइन करवाया था because he was singing away तो मैंने उनसे बोला कि आजकल जो लोग हैं वो ये सब यो करते हैं so Dilip Saab also did this and Amit ji also so it was very sweet actually it's a marvelous I hope you guys get to see all the pictures besides the ones that are in front there I'll request him to put it on the net and show it to everyone because it's an important piece when Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and Dilip Kumar Saab come together and have such a hearty time for the audience and very very important for 100 years of cinema that we see the greatest icons of the film industry together we have the opportunity to be part of it but just as fans and people and viewers I think it's a very important and a very cherished moment.
Thank you, sir. And before we move ahead for the open house Q&A, we would like to thank our sponsors, partners, and call them here on stage one by one. Firstly, I would like to call on stage Mr. Ishu Datwani from Anmol Jewelers. Mr. Datwani.
Thank you very much. आप आज से मेरी बहन. Thank you for sponsoring this and being part of it. It's extremely great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Next, I would like to call on and thank from YFC Live Fit, Mr. Syed Rizwan.
Thank you very much.
It's a lifetime opportunity to have been an inspiration. The way you have grown, the stage where you are actually right now, is absolutely amazing and inspiring. The only song which I keep reminding myself is the Chakra every single day.
Thank you, Sai. Thank you, YFC, for. Oh, thank you. Alright. Oh, thank you so much. It's a heavy. Okay. Okay, so I want to thank you, Syed, for saying that how I've grown. But I've not met you before, but I can tell you, from the time that you started, you have grown a lot too. So, thank you very much. Maybe बहुत मेहनत करूँगा and I'll try and. My thigh is about this big right now. Thank you, sir. Okay, it's a pair of dumbbells. Thank you. I'll utilize them and next film when you see me naked, torso up, you'll know why it is because of your dumbbells. Thank you, actually. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you, Mr. Razwan. And next I would like to call on from Reliance Digital, representing Reliance Digital, Mr. Nikhil Davi, Director Vibrant Advertising, and Mr. Pradeep Menon from Reliance Digital. And we of course have a winner of the consumer contest presenting a special gift to Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. And we also have the winner of the Reliance Digital contest.
Hey Manoj.
This song is for Shah Rukh sir.
عاشق تو بودم چرا نرفتی क्या करूँ खाए कुछ कुछ होता है अब तो मेरा दिल जागे न सोता है मेरा भी दिल क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है आशिक़ तो बूदम चेहरा नरफ़ी क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है
Thank you.
It's very, very kind. Thank you so much. And yeah, this is the story of my life that I have boys sing songs like this too. Okay, brother. He's Persian. That's why he sang a part of the song in Persian, right? Because I know a bit of Persian. So, what is it? Let me see. I know Persian and Dil ama dag dag shud, Bamba kuja kuja naam. Yeah? Good. I'll explain to them. It means my heart has so many wounds, I don't have enough cotton to protect it with. Yeah? But thank you so much and God bless you. And sing for us. Thank you. My only problem is... Thank you very much. So thank you so much. Bless you. Inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you, Ali. And now I would like to call on the venue partner for this lovely evening, owners of this beautiful property from Escobar, Mr. Vardhaman Chokse and Mr. Rishabh Chokse. The smart-looking gentlemen.
Thank you very much, both of you. I remember having a Ravan opening night, and the place looks stunning. And thank you so much, Escobar, for being part of this. Bless you both.
And I would like to call on our beverage partner, Mr. So they've already invited you, so they didn't let me invite you. They know you all.
Thank you, Sarojji. You are the king of Bollywood. You are Don. I wish you all the best for your coming film and all. batting and fielding.
Bhandari sir, and thank you for being a part of this sponsorship. And it's very nice to see you. It's very seldom I come to a public function and find someone more popular than me on stage.
Sir, you are more talented. ये मैं तो इनका सेवक हूँ और आपका विद्यार्थी हूँ.
Thank you very much, sir. And of course, now the media is waiting to ask a lot of questions. If you permit. So, members of the media, now is the time for you to shoot questions to Mr.
Can I butt in? Okay, I'm going to moderate this session. So any question that I think is unbecoming, I will beep while the question. Shah Rukh is of course an expert at handling all these questions. So please realize that he's our guest today and please maintain the dignity of the function. So the beeper starts now and I throw the floor open to the media. Thank you.
I don't know why everyone assumes they're going to ask me undignified questions. You know what? For the question, 1 second. For the questions, we'll have to keep quiet so I can hear them here, please guys. So we'll do all questions, but let's just do.
Guys, if you'll start screaming, we're not able to do the question and answer session. So please raise your hand.
मैंने पूछा है कि पहली बार मेरी तस्वीर कब छपी थी. मुझे नाम याद है. एक 2 माइल का रन होता था नेशनल स्टेडियम में. तो दिल्ली के एक आई थिंक पेपर में छोटा सा नाम, मेरे पास अभी भी वो कटिंग है. मैं सेकंड आया था उस रेस के अंदर. तो नाम उस वक्त था. और आई थिंक मुंबई में मैं जब पहली बार आया था, एक्टर बनने नहीं आया था, ऐसे ही अपनी माँ के साथ आया था. तो एक अपार्टमेंट में ठहरे हुए थे हम लोग या फैमिली से मिलने का. मैं नीचे आया तो मैं उनसे मिला नहीं हूँ बहुत सालों से. उनकी बेटी को भी 1-2 बार देखा है मैंने, कभी थैंक यू नहीं बोला. लेकिन द फर्स्ट फोटोग्राफ somebody took of mine was Mr. जगदीश माली. मैं नीचे जा रहा था तो मैं कहा यहाँ बैठो. शर्ट भी उन्होंने अपनी एक फलारी से पहनाई. मुझे कहा एक फोटो लूँगा. मैं फौजी कर चुका था. So I think that's the first picture taken in Mumbai. As far as magazine is concerned, there was a Delhi magazine with a gentleman called Mr. Lahiri, who was a writer, I think, for a newspaper again, and he did the picture.
शाहरुख, अगर बात करें जिस हिसाब से आपने पिछली जिंदगी की बात करी, तो जब आप आए थे यहाँ पे तो मुंबई सेंट्रल की वो रात थी जो आपने मुंबई सेंट्रल स्टेशन पे गुजारी थी. उसके बाद आज आप अपने आप को इस मकाम पे देखते हैं, यू आर द किंग ऑफ द बॉलीवुड. एज सच आपको एक टाइटल दिया गया है. किस तरीके से आप इस सफ़र को देखते हैं और कितना जिम्मेदार सफ़र है ये?
जैसे मैंने बताया, एक्चुअली यू नो आई हैव नेवर वर्क. आई थिंक कोई भी एक्टर ऐसा नहीं करता है, क्या करते होंगे. मैंने कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं कि मैं यू नो प्रॉस्पेरिटी या पॉस्टेरिटी के लिए काम करूं, कि पीछे क्या बीत गया, कब था. वो एक रात थी, मुंबई सेंट्रल पे नहीं थी, आई थिंक ब्रॉय होटल के सामने मैंने गुजारी थी. और आई फेल्ट दैट आई शुड कम हियर एंड वर्क हार्ड. एंड आई डिडंट थिंक आई वुड बी एन एक्टर, बट आई हैव बिकम वन. आई फील वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई कुड डू. एंड मुंबई नगरी जो है उसने मुझे इतना दिया है, इंडिया ने इतना दिया है, पूरी दुनिया ने इतना दिया है. बट ऐसा मैं कभी सोचता नहीं हूँ कि जो जर्नी है अभी, अब मैं कितनी आई मीन द वर्ड दैट यू यूज्ड इज दैट हाउ प्रॉपर्ली आई हैव टू लीड दिस लाइफ और नॉट लीड दिस लाइफ. लाइक आई सेड, मैं सुबह उठता हूँ और काम करता हूँ और होप करता हूँ कि जो काम आज कर रहा हूँ वो जो कल किया है उससे बेहतर होगा. कभी कभी हो जाता है, कभी कभी नहीं होता है. एंड मैं ये फॉल्स मॉडेस्टी या ह्यूमिलिटी से नहीं कह रहा हूँ. आई थिंक जब आदमी 20-22 साल तक एक ही काम रोजाना करता है तो एक उसमें एक सच्चाई रहती है, which is beyond what we read and hear. ये सिर्फ यही important है और कुछ important नहीं. So to me, yes, most importantly, what I do in the morning on the sets is perhaps the core of my living. And I don't think about कि क्या हो गया है और क्या होने वाला है.
शाहरुख भाई, आप एक लौते ऐसे स्टार हैं जिसको बॉलीवुड के अंदर महिलाओं को
Just 1 second, you please raise your hands up. Identify your media. 1 second.
Last question.
1 second. Let me finish. Raise your hand up, identify the media and stick to the question only, please. Please do not ramble.
हाँ, शाहरुख आप एक लौते ऐसे स्टार हैं जो कि
you've had your chance.
बॉलीवुड में महिलाओं को सबसे ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, बड़ों का सबसे ज़्यादा सम्मान करते हैं. तो वही कई कुछ ऐसे बड़े भी हैं जो आपसे नाराज हैं, ऐसे मनोज कुमार साहब, तो उनको उस चीज़ को कैसे देखते हैं आप?
I don't know, yaar. I am actually just come back. I don't have any idea of what's happening. But having said that, very honestly, I had gone, and if we had made a mistake in the film, I'd gone personally and apologized. Now, with all my due respect and to greatness of all the creative people around in this country who've existed before me and will exist after me, if there is a legal recourse somebody needs to take, they're most welcome to. And I think they will do it with the distributors who made a genuine mistake, according to me, by showing a print in Japan, perhaps, which was not edited the way we had edited the rest of it. It's an old print, and I guess everyone has to do what they have to do, and I have to bear what everyone else has to do. It's not personal. I don't take it personal. I take it as a legal thing or an official thing he wants to do against the distributors of the film. And if he's so convinced, he should. फिलहाल तो वो वक्त नहीं आया कि मैं बैठ के अपनी पुरानी फिल्म में घर में देखूं, बट जिनके साथ भी मैंने काम किया और मैंने हर बार बोला ही, डायरेक्टर्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स, एक्टर्स बहुत खूबसूरत हैं, सबने बहुत मेहनत की है मेरे साथ, लेकिन I do owe my career to most of the leading ladies or actresses, even in non-leading roles. फरीदा जी, रीमा लागू जी, बहुत सारी actresses हैं, so I don't want to discount their names, but मेरा career जो है, because a lot of my romantic films have done very well. A lot of my songs, as a matter of fact, I was in Wide one day and we were sitting to listening to my songs, and all of them are beautiful because I think the ladies in them have made them fantastic. So I respect them a lot. I miss them. Even when I'm not working with them, I think of them a lot. I try to stay in touch as much as I can beyond my business and schedules. And I'll always say that most of my stardom, apart from the directors, producers, because of the leading ladies and all the ladies who work with me, and I share a lot of love and goodness with them. Madhu, please. Sorry, I just have a message from Dilip sir. Sara ji called to say कि उनको बहुत खुशी है कि ये फिल्म मैगजीन का कवर जो है आज लॉन्च हो रहा है. वो बहुत यहाँ पर आना चाह रहे थे, लेकिन of course, as we all know, थोड़ा सा health reason की वजह से और also being in a place where there's a lot of crowd and stuff, it's difficult for him to make the journey here. But he sent his best wishes, his love to Filmfare, to Jitesh, to all who are present here. Actually, he said please tell all the media on behalf of Dilip sir. I think that's the greatness of the person that he knows there's a launch, he was invited, he couldn't make it, so he sent you all his love and said don't ask Shah Rukh any question on my behalf, he'll give you the wrong answers. But the fact is that he just sent wishes to everyone. So thank you Dilip sir, and on behalf of him we thank all of you for being here. Choose करो ना यार. मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ कि मैं फिल्म चूज नहीं करता हूँ. डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर सोचते हैं कि मैं किसी फिल्म का हिस्सा यहाँ बन सकूँ. डॉन फरहान को ऐसा लगा कि मैं डॉन का किरदार प्ले कर सकता हूँ मॉडर्न टाइम्स के लिए एज अ ट्रिब्यूट टू द ग्रेट फिल्म दैट बच्चन साहब ने डन. एंड सिमिलरली बंसाली साहब को ऐसा लगा कि मैं शायद देवदास, उन्होंने मुझे कहा तुम्हारी आंखों में कुछ है जो देवदास जैसा है. और सो आई एम जस्ट वेरी मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है क्योंकि डॉन देखकर मैं बड़ा हुआ और उस फिल्म का एक अंग बन सका किसी तरह से ट्रिब्यूट में. और देवदास मेरे पेरेंट्स हमेशा कहते थे आई थिंक हमारे देश की सबसे बेहतरीन फिल्मों में से एक है. सो आई कुड बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट. फॉर मी दोज आर ग्रेट अचीवमेंट्स. बट हैविंग सेड दैट आई डोंट सिट एंड थिंक व्हिच इज द नेक्स्ट फिल्म आई एम गोइंग टू रीमेक. Actually, I'll be very honest. I hope I don't sound too pompous. Hopefully, a time will come when someone will remake a film of mine that was original that I had made. I think that would be a thing that I would look forward to rather than remaking films or thinking ये बारी चलती है तो ये करते हैं वो करते हैं. That directors decide. But I hope I make one great film. 3 तो आ गई हैं इसमें कह रहे हैं. लेकिन कोई अच्छी सी एक फिल्म बनाऊं कि लोग कहें एक वैसी फिल्म बनाए. That would be a great achievement for me.
Last question.
शाहरुख का
हमारे साथ मैगजीन फॉर में भी है। लेजेंड्स के नाम आपके आर्टिकल्स मैगजीन के अंदर हम देख सकते हैं। आपका रिएक्शन है मैगजीन पढ़ लेना।
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ तुम्हारे लिए। हर्ष, हर्ष नाम है सर? क्या नाम? हर्ष? हर्ष, हर्ष का सवाल है, कौन सी जगह से हो?
सर मैं
नहीं नहीं, कौन से मीडिया हाउस से हो?
जय महाराष्ट्र।
जय महाराष्ट्र से हर्ष पूछ रहे हैं आपसे कि इसमें जो है आपने 3 लिविंग लेजेंड्स को कवर पे डाला है, लेकिन आपके मैगजीन के अंदर कौन से ऐसे हिस्से हैं जिसके अंदर और भी इम्पोर्टेंट, महत्वपूर्ण और लेजेंडरी एक्टर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स, सिंगर्स या कोरियोग्राफर्स और स्क्रीन प्ले राइटर्स का मेंशन है, उसके बारे में जानते हैं?
मैं ये सवाल इंग्लिश में करना चाहता हूँ। आंसर, I want to answer this in English.
Is it okay?
Is that okay? See, it is an iconic special, so we have 3 exclusive interviews. Dilip Saab hasn't spoken in a while. We've got an exclusive interview with Dilip Saab. We've got an exclusive interview with Amit Ji, and we've got an exclusive interview with Shah Rukh. And my favorite section in the movie is the 100 iconic films that you must see before you die. So, I mean, if you've seen, I mean, most of you have seen, say, 70, 80, 50 films. So that is my most important section. And then we did a viral internet poll asking readers, fans on the internet to poll in their most favorite dialogue, most favorite dances, most favorite iconic moments from the films. And people all over the country, all over the world have polled and written. So these are the 3 most important sections in the magazine.
मैं ये वाली प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस मैं कोऑर्डिनेट करता हूँ यहाँ पे। हर्ष का फॉलो अप सवाल।
जैसे कि अपन सिनेमा की बात करें तो दादा साहब बिग नेम उन्होंने बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट किया है 100 इन सिनेमा में, उनके बारे में क्या इस मैगजीन
Actually, the first film that we have included in the iconic is Raja Harishchandra. So you will have to open the magazine and get a lot of information about that.
Shahrukh Khanal from News 24. आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, you know महाराष्ट्र में एक ड्रॉट सूखा पड़ा हुआ है एंड जहाँ पे आप शूट कर रहे हैं वाई में, सो आपके सेट्स पे एक रिजर्वायर टाइप आपने बनाया जहाँ पे वाटर स्टोरेज किया गया है एंड you guys are doing a very good job of planting trees and everything over there. So क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप इस बारे में? जहाँ पे एक जगह पे जहाँ पे हमारे डिप्यूटी सीएम कहते हैं कि अगर पानी नहीं है तो मैं कहाँ से पानी लाऊं, and on the other hand you are doing so much for the people over there. What do you have to say about it?
First, we are not doing anything for too many people there. We're just shooting a film, and we are thankful to the people of Y that they've allowed us such a long schedule. Whatever happens there happens as a community give and take. क्योंकि हम सब लोग एक साथ में 60-70 दिन से काम कर रहे हैं, हमारा सेट जो है 30 दिन से लग रहा है, तो 100 दिन का एक साथ है। और जब भी हम वाई में गए, चाहे मैं स्वदेश के लिए गया हूँ, इस फिल्म के लिए 2 बार जा चुके हैं, वहाँ के लोग जो है बहुत खूबसूरत हैं, बहुत प्यार से हमारे साथ काम करते हैं। So obviously when you are doing a thing together, working in partnership of relationship, not partnership of monies or business, you do things for each other, so it's nothing really special. I hope we have been able to keep everything as well as we could, and we've whatever's been happening is because of Rohit Shetty and his team doing it there. So one, if you're asking me as a mega thing to take credit for, no. If you're asking to create a controversy, I have nothing to say. So I just hope we've just made people happy there because they made us feel very happy. We just finished the schedule there and it's been a very great schedule.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'll take over. One second. I'll do the question. तेरा हो गया, अभी हो गया. No, छोटा हो जाए मोटा, अभी नहीं हो गया. 3-4 questions I'll take. So don't scream it out, but I'll listen to all of them if they're kind of okay. Yeah. No, nobody is supposed to be. Well, let this young lady ask. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Raksha. I'm from Holier Media. It's about fashion. So what I want to ask you is, we've already spoken a lot about movies. I want you to talk about IPL. People will be coming to support your team, KKR. What do you want to watch them in the stadium?
I don't know. I never insist on my friends when they come and family. People I'm working with, and sometimes we happen to be there together. I don't insist on them wearing the T-shirt of the team. I just want them to, you know, I'm at that point of time the host, so I want everyone to come dressed as they wish and be happy. I wear t-shirts designed by Dinah. I like the t-shirts. I don't wear the regular jersey, so I like that. I find that more comfortable. But everyone is allowed to wear what they wish.
And what's your style? What's your style mantra for the summer?
Mantra means? Okay, white t-shirt, light blue jeans and sneakers. नहीं हर्ष कैसे नहीं होगा? तेरा काम हो चुका है. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Rashmi from Miss Malini. I'm Rashmi from Miss Malini, and I just wanted to find out, since you've shot with two legends, can you tell us your favorite memories with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and Mr. Dilip Kumar through the years separately, other than shooting this cover?
अमित जी के साथ मैंने फिल्में की हैं 2-3 और there have been some great moments working with him and otherwise also. When he opens up, he's a great conversationalist, extremely intelligent. His general knowledge is like, he could actually win KBC if he tried. Really, I mean, he's fantastic and he's got a great sense of humor. So yeah, during Mohabbatein we hardly knew each other. We were just standing there in awe when he used to act. And it was very scary to shoot that scene जहाँ से मैं देख रहा हूँ एक 55 साल का बाप अपनी 19 साल की whatever. It was very nerve-wracking. But one day I asked him, and I've said this before, मैं फिर से कहूँगा, मैंने एक बार हम लाइव शो कर रहे थे अभी कुछ 1.5-2 साल पहले, तो हम ऐसे बैठे हुए थे, he was chatting, से अभी जी स्टेज पे आप जाने से पहले और कई लोग हमसे भी पूछते हैं ऐसा, एक दूसरे से हम पूछते हैं actors, actresses, are you nervous? Are you feeling like this? How do you know, some of us are nervous, some of us are cool, some of us are tense. And I asked him, what is the last thing you think before you go onto stage? Yes, मैं तुम्हें बताना चाहता हूँ कि जो आखिरी चीज़ है वो बहुत important है. Just before you go on stage to speak or perform, he says क्या? And he says zip ज़रूर check कर लेना कि खुली ना. And I think that is the greatest learning I've got from the greatest Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, because it's basic, it's honest, it's clear. वरना बड़े actors जो हैं ऐसी boring spiel देते हैं कि देखो ऐसा सोचो, public का सोचो. He just showed me, I think that's most important, that your pants are done when you go and speak in public or go to perform. With Dilip Saab, yeah, I've gone and met him a time once in Joggers Park when he used to be there, and I've sat down with him and I asked him about Dev Das, and like a fan I asked him, watching Dev Das together with him, his Dev Das, and I said, why did you do this role? And he says, पता नहीं यार, मुझे उन्होंने बुलाया, कहा एक बहुत अच्छी है, तो हम लोग तो ऐसा कर देते हैं, important तो लोग बना देते हैं उस काम को, हमने तो कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचा कि बहुत important काम है, हम तो अपना काम करा और लोगों ने बना दिया. So I think this kind of humility with him, and of course खाना खाओ और जाओ.
शाहरुख
तूने अपना चांस सवाल नहीं पूछा, मैं इसलिए तुझे कभी
शाहरुख जो खबर आ रही थी कि सतारा में सूखा पड़ रहा है और चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस में बांध का काफी पानी इस्तेमाल हुआ था, तो वहाँ के स्थानीय लोग और जो सिंचाई विभाग उन्होंने कहा था कि हम इस पे कार्रवाई करेंगे, तो उस तरह की कोई आपके पास आई है खबर?
नहीं, मेरे पास कोई.
शाहरुख जहाँ पे इतना बॉलीवुड में कई तरफ 100 करोड़ की फिल्में आ रही हैं, खुशियों का माहौल है बॉलीवुड में, तो वे कहीं ना कहीं संजू बाबा को लेके सब टेंशन में भी हैं. आपकी बात हुई, क्या आप क्या सोचते हैं आप संजू बाबा को?
I'd really say it's a matter of great importance. Let's not just make it into snippets and headlines. He's dealing with it the way he should, and whenever people think of things, we will always think of the family and the children, because we are friends, and we'll keep it at that. I think it's an extremely personal matter, and it has to be dealt with that seriousness. It's a serious matter, so he will deal with it instead of me giving you a comment and making it a little snippet. It's not in its right place.
Prabhat from Bollywood. My question is that actors and actresses get due to the hard work. Having their photo on the cover page, they get their due recognition for their hard work. But what about the other professionals, like cinematographer or a choreographer or a lyrics writer or a musician? I mean, they are never featured on a cover page of a magazine. So, any initiative taken by any magazine, like Filmfare, for that purpose?
Where do you work?
Bollywood and Glamour.
What is that?
It's a website. It's a video online content.
How
Yeah.
many pictures of technicians do you put on your front page?
That is something. I mean, you can.
Start from your side, and I'm sure everybody else will also follow. That's very, very important. So you have to understand, a film will never be complete or made without the technicians in it. The most important part of work in films is done by the technicians. I'm not going to be talking about gigs like Amit Ji and Philip sir. I'll speak about myself. We are the cover page. Everybody's got a job defined. So there are writers who write, there are actors who are the cover, and then there are technicians who actually make the core of the film. We know it in our hearts that they are the most important people, and that's why at the end of the credits, you have directed by, you have the music director, the screenplay writers. In terms of, it's a strange प्रथा कि ऐसे होता है. थोड़ा सा ग्लैमर के लिए बेस्ट एक्टर एक्ट्रेस अवार्ड देर पे दिया जाता है, बट बेस्ट पिक्चर बेस्ट डायरेक्टर हमेशा आखिर में होते हैं. पर जिसका जो काम होता है वो करे. तो फोटोज जो होती हैं एक्टर एक्ट्रेस की अच्छी लगती हैं, क्योंकि वो लोग मेकअप करते हैं, वो लोग पर्दे पे होते हैं, वो कवर होते हैं. अंदर से जो साबुन है, उसकी जो स्मेल होती है, उसको जो बनाया जाता है, वो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है नहाने के लिए. सो जो टेक्नीशियंस हैं, उनसे हमको सफाई मिलती है, उनसे हमको हेल्थ मिलती है, और कवर डिजाइन जो है हम लोग हैं. So that's the way it is. But if you really feel for it, like I said, you should start it, and you should honor. They do it. They have technical awards, very specifically and special. For him, I think the best technician is A.R. Rahman sir. बहुत बड़ा fan होंगे. But you have to. We give them a lot of respect and love. But जो जगह पे जिसकी डायरेक्टर्स का कवर भी किया है, जो आप पूछ सकते हैं, जो हीरोइन का क्या था उससे ज़्यादा बिका था कि नहीं बिका था, लेकिन but that's a different business question. Okay, last from her, and the last from
Shahrukh, you got many titles in Bollywood, maybe Badshah of Bollywood, King of Hearts, global iconic titles. So which title attracts you more?
What attracts me, none of them attract me. I don't choose them. No, I'll be a little sentimental about this. Of all the names that I'm called, I like Papa the best. I think that's the coolest, yeah.
Shahrukh,
And by the 2 legal children that I have.
Shahrukh यहाँ पर. अरे जय महाराष्ट्र, 1 मिनट रुक जाओ. शाहरुख यहाँ पे. शाहरुख बांद्रा का जो इलाका है, आपके यहाँ से बैंड स्टैंड मन्नत पर लोग कहाँ से आते हैं, फोटो खिंचवाते हैं, बहुत सारे फैंस वहाँ इकट्ठा होते हैं. लेकिन हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब वो भीड़ और ज्यादा बढ़ने वाली है, क्योंकि सलमान खान आपके बंगले के हमने सुना कि वहाँ पे उन्होंने फ्लैट लिया हुआ है. तो क्या बोलना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
Thank you. I don't think this is the right platform. Absolutely not. No, absolutely not. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
What is your question?
मैंने ये कहा कि
क्वेश्चन जो तत्व बताओ यार.
तत्व ये है कि सलमान खान आपके बंगले के पीछे जो है आपके नेबर बनने वाले हैं, और वहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा भीड़ इकट्ठा होने वाली. तो आपको लगता है कि जो फैंस आएंगे, शायद आप हमेशा वहाँ पे की वेट करते हैं, तो आप ऐसे लगे कि सलमान के भी फैन है, मेरे भी फैन है, तो कुछ ऐसा कंफ्यूजन होने वाला है? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. आपके नेबर बनने वाले, आप क्या बोलोगे? सलमान आज नहीं.
मुझे सवाल नहीं समझ आया. सवाल बताओगे तो मैं जवाब दूंगा.
No, Shahrukh, I don't think it makes any sense. I don't think this question is relevant. Thank you very much. Can you stand up?
Okay, I'll answer standing up. Finish it off. Ask your question. Once we give her the mic.